Dubrovnik wants total suitcase ban as travel surges post-pandemic. In this video, we talk about the travel warning to tourists over hundreds of fines for suitcase mistakes in the city of Dubrovnik. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigration&migration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. Travelers planning to visit Croatia this summer should be mindful of a new rule for tourists. Dubrovnik, a popular Croatian city, plans to introduce new rules that will ban tourists from dragging suitcases, as residents complain about the racket it causes during peak tourism season. The newly introduced regulations state that suitcases must be carried and not dragged through the streets of the town. For now, wheeled bags will still be permitted, though the wheels must not be used. Anyone caught rolling their luggage faces a fine of €265. It is unclear how this might impact anyone unable to carry a case due to a physical disability. The measure is part of a wider plan to ban all luggage from Dubrovnik by November. Later this year, tourists will be required to leave bags and suitcases at a designated spot outside of the city's walls before visitors are permitted to enter the old town. Visitors will have to pay a courier to have their bags delivered to their accommodation by electric vehicle. Dubrovnik saw a significant bump in visitors after it served as the setting for King's Landing on the Game of Thrones TV show. Do you have plans to visit Croatia this summer? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigration&migration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.